Question 1. What is the fundamental purpose of a chatbot? Option A. To provide physical robotic assistance in industrial settings. Option B. To automate human conversation through text or voice interactions. Option C. To analyze large data sets for hidden patterns without human input. Option D. To translate spoken language into different written languages. The correct answer is to automate human conversation through text or voice interactions. Here's the explanation. The overview section states, a chatbot is an artificial intelligence (AI) program designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice interactions. Its primary purpose is to automate communication, provide information, and perform tasks. Question 2. When a user inputs a query into a chatbot, which two key functions of natural language understanding (NLU) are primarily responsible for interpreting what the user is trying to achieve and identifying specific pieces of information? Option A. Natural language generation (NLG) and dialogue management. Option B. Intent recognition and entity extraction. Option C. Pre-processing and response generation. Option D. Knowledge-based query and back-end integration. The correct answer is intent recognition and entity extraction. Here's the explanation. The key features components section defines natural language understanding (NLU), a subset of NLP focused on understanding the intent and extracting entities, key pieces of information, from a user's free-form text or speech input, and intent recognition, the ability to classify the user's goal or purpose, and entity extraction, the process of identifying and extracting specific, relevant pieces of information. Question 3. A company uses a cloud-based chatbot to handle customer inquiries about order status. If a customer types, "Where is my order 12,345?" what is the role of the dialogue management component after the intent, check order status, and entity, order number 12,345, have been identified? Option A. To immediately generate a generic, "I don't understand," response. Option B. To convert the user's text into speech for an audio response. Option C. To determine the next logical step, such as triggering an API call to the e-commerce system to fetch order details. Option D. To retrain the NLU model with the new interaction data. The correct answer is to determine the next logical step, such as triggering an API call to the e-commerce system to fetch order details. Here's the explanation. The How It Works section under Dialogue Management explains. It determines the next logical step in the conversation based on the current intent, extracted entities. It decides whether the request requires integration with external systems, and under back-end integration. If the request requires external data, the dialogue manager triggers an API call to the relevant back-end system. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of the Azure AI bot service? Option A. To provide pre-trained models for image classification and object detection. Option B. To offer a managed service for building, connecting, deploying, and managing intelligent conversational AI experiences. Option C. To convert spoken audio into text and text into natural-sounding speech. Option D. To analyze unstructured text for sentiment, key phrases, and entities. The correct answer is to offer a managed service for building, connecting, deploying, and managing intelligent conversational AI experiences. Here's the explanation. The Azure AI Bot Service is a managed service that empowers developers to build, connect, deploy, and manage intelligent, enterprise-grade conversational AI experiences across various channels. Question 5. Which component of the Azure AI Bot Service enables developers to connect their bot to popular communication platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Facebook Messenger. Option A, Bot Framework SDK. Option B, Bot Framework Emulator. Option C, Bot Channels Registration. Option D, Direct Line API. The correct answer is Bot Channels Registration. Here's the explanation. Bot Channels Registration allows developers to connect their bot to various popular communication channels with minimal configuration, such as web chat, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Question 6. A developer is building a banking chatbot using Azure AI Bot Service and needs the bot to understand user intents like check balance or transfer money and extract entities like savings account or $500. Which Azure Cognitive Service would be most crucial for this functionality? Option A, Azure AI Vision. Option B, Azure AI Speech. Option C, Language Understanding, Lewis. Option D, Q&A Maker. The correct answer is Language Understanding, Lewis. Here's the explanation. Language Understanding, LUS, is an Azure Cognitive Service specifically designed for intent and entity recognition, which is crucial for a chatbot to understand natural language queries like check balance and extract relevant information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.